Okay, before we get started, I've got a tip for you, and it can save you a lot of frustration and aggravation a little ways down the road. When you jack the vehicle up, whether it's the front end, front wheel drive, or rear wheel drive, the wheels are going to spin freely. An automatic transmission isn't going to lock those in place once both wheels are lifted off the ground. And it makes it real difficult to break the lug nuts free. If you're using a mechanical wrench or a hand wrench to break the lug nuts free, you'll find that real difficult or near impossible to do without having somebody hold on the brake pedal or some way of keeping that wheel from moving while you're breaking the lug nuts free. So at this time, we're going to go around and break the lug nuts free on the wheels that we're going to take off, which would be the two front wheels. And we don't want to loosen them up. We're just going to break them free. So when we get it up in the air, we can get them off at that point. Okay, so before we can take the lug nuts off, the first thing we need to do is make sure the vehicle's in park and the emergency brake is set. That way when we try and loosen them, we just don't roll the car. First thing we need to do before we pull the lug nuts off, this particular rim has got a center cap on there, and we'll need to snap that center cap off, get it out of our way. Okay, so we want to select the right size socket for our nut, which is 3/4 inch or 19 millimeter. And with a star wrench like this, the way I found it's easiest to apply it and put equal torque on with both hands. And that keeps it centered on the lug nut, so you're avoiding that possibility of it twisting off and rounding off the nut. These shouldn't be on, but probably somewhere in the neighborhood of around 90 pounds. But somebody using an impact wrench can easily over-tighten them and make them difficult to come off. The standard factory one that comes with a car is usually just a single handle model, and those can be a little bit more difficult to get the extra torque sometimes. And we don't want to loosen them any more than that. About a half a turn is as far as you need to go. And I always do it in a star pattern or back forth crisscross, whether I'm removing or tightening. Once again, just about a half a turn, because we don't want to loosen them up and have that wheel start to slide up with the weight of the car on it. So just crack them through about a half a turn. Make sure you get each one. Now, we only want to crack the ones loose on the wheels that we're going to be removing. And since we're doing front brakes, we're only going to do this to both front wheels. All you'll need to do is just repeat the procedure on the other side of the car. Same procedure used on this side, we just want to apply it to the other side on the front only. We don't need to loosen the rear, they're not coming off. So please watch our next segment on jacking up the vehicle.